Good morning, students, and Assalamu alaikum. How are you today? I hope everyone is fine. The Knowledge School, Kite Campus, English Literature, Class 4, Revision of all dictation words and central ideas, prepared by Miss Aisha Usman. From the book Broadway Reader. Story number 1, King of All Animals. Here I am going to read the dictation words in front of you. Fearsome, strolled, fangs, uttered, leaped out, blended, creature, trickery, triumph, dissatisfaction. Part 2. It's a poem. Tigers Forever. The dictation words are thunder, scenting, slumber, herdsman, roar. Write the central idea of the poem Tigers Forever. In this poem, Tigers Forever, the poet is representing the power of tigers as they always be lord in the jungle. They are known by their roar and thunder. Story number 2, Present for Mothers. The dictation words are present, wicked, wonderfully, priest, false jewels, excited, fainting, comfortable. Part 2, It's a poem. Walking with Grandpa. Dictation words are peebles, unrushed, bright, hidden, funny. Write the central idea of a poem Walking with Grandpa. The main idea of Walking with Grandpa is that grandchildren always like and love their grandparents as they are not in hurry and can spend time with them. Story number 3, The Dog Who Barked Backwards. Dictation words are neighborhood, yawned, veranda, giggled, skating, cackled, sniffed, apology, adopting, homeless. Part 2, It's a poem. Why kill? Dictation words are magnificent, captivating, extraordinary, compelled, imprinted, humongous. Write down the central idea of a poem. Why kill? In this impressive poem, Why Kill, the poetess is questioning that why she should kill animals while they have a unique art of memorizing the nature. Students, today we have done all the dictation words and all the central ideas in the lecture. Please students, learn all the dictation words and central idea by heart. Stay home, stay safe. Take care. Allah Hafiz.